Hello, thank you once again for joining us in our class today. I believe you've learned a lot in our training series. Now, in today's class, our focus is going to be looking at examples of websites online that uses WordPress to power their online portfolio. So, let's get into that right now. The number one website you are going to be looking at that uses WordPress to power their online portfolio is Middle Child. Middle Child Middle Child has a website that features so many things that takes place in their organization, and their online presence is being built set up using WordPress. Also, there's another platform, a website online called Sea Harvest. Sea Harvest also uses a newspaper style layout in its WordPress based website for Sea Harvest. Their online portfolio is powered with WordPress. Also, there's another platform called Maxim Script. Now, this platform is Melting Panda. Now, they have their portfolio structured and designed using WordPress. Now, WordPress has it's a and software you can use. WordPress is a software you can use to develop things creatively. You can just think outside of the box. Just imagine things. WordPress has thousands of plugins that you can use to enhance the functionalities of your website. Also, there are different thousands of themes that you can use to build up your website. So, WordPress, you can use it to do so many things. Now, another platform is called Kobu. Kobu is a laboratory. Now, it is a laboratory for design and digital experiences. Now, to see what they do, to see their creative works, they have an online reference, a portfolio where you can see their past projects, where you can just look at what they've done so far, and that is being set up. That portfolio is being built using WordPress, which I believe you also can do. Also, there is no format. No format homepage has plenty of immediate impact. Now, their portfolio, the portfolio for the no format is structured. The design is done creatively, which I believe you can also do using those things you've learned in this training series. The more you practicalized, the more you explore those things you've learned, the more expert you become. So don't get yourself limited to what you only learned alone. Don't get yourself limited with what you learned alone. I believe you can do more. You can do more. You can do more. More and more. You can do things. Just if you can think it, I'm telling you, you can achieve it. Now, there's another platform called Femi and Fiend. That's also an online portfolio that was set up, that was built with WordPress, and all these websites I've mentioned. I'm going to drop the link that you can access those websites and explore them. See how the website looks like on your mobile phone, and also you can look at how it's being displayed when being accessed on desktop view. Now, there is Pure Manson. Now, this also it's a website that is being developed using WordPress, an online portfolio. Also, another, we virtually are. Our site makes great use. Now, this site also has some kind of enhancements, some kind of features that makes it looks different from other portfolios. The project we work on in this training series while we're building an online portfolio, we did not make use of videos. Now, you can, in your portfolio, you can use video. You can embed news feed from Twitter. You can embed your Facebook page news feed. What is going on? You can just show the followers you have on your Facebook page on your website. These are all what you can embed. These are what you can do. in your portfolio on your website that can enhance the functionalities. Now I said earlier that WordPress has so many enhancements that you can add in, that you can put in into your website. Yeah, this is another platform. Another platform is called Asaru. Now, Asaru site is a responsive website. It's enough. It looks beautiful on all screen sizes. Now, this portfolio Asaru makes design the website to be portable on different devices. If you are accessing the website on your phone, there's a way to look. If you are accessing that same website on a tablet device, there is a way to be structured. If you are also accessing that same website on your desktop screen, on your large screen monitor, there is also a way it will fit in all those devices. It will be structured. Now, this is another portfolio, Design Museum Denmark. Now, Design Museum Denmark also uses a parallax scrolling and responsive image that makes the Danish Design Museum site a must-see. Now, these are what I want you to be reasoning at, that okay, if this can be possible for these platforms, I believe also I myself should be able to have similar thing. Now, it is not just for yourself alone. Maybe you are aspiring of starting your own digital agency, or you are planning to start your own design studio. These are all what you can use as an inspirator that will inspire you of bringing out creative designs, bringing out things that will make your client refer you to other people. Now, this is another portfolio called Catipray. Catipray is even more, it majors more on celebrity. Now, it utilizes the tools provided by WordPress. Now, what are the tools that WordPress has? Plugins, series of plugins, series of themes. Now, the plugins on your WordPress website, you can make use of different plugins, 10, 20s of plugins. Now, why are you having those plugins? It is just to enhance the future. WordPress has been built in a way that the system was not too complicated for you to understand. That is why one of the things we did mostly in this training series is, by the time we are entering to another part, we try to create a subdomain. Now, why are we creating a subdomain? So that those things we installed in the past, in the former parts which we ended, previous parts which ended, we don't want those plugins or the theme to be conflicting, or to be also be displayed on this new design, on this new website project we are working on. So that is why we set up a different subdomain for each of them. Similar thing also, if you are not making use of a plugin, I don't think there is any reason for you to install it. So if you want to enhance the functionalities of your website, let those functionalities you want to enhance be the plugins you installed into your WordPress website. So this is another portfolio called the Ink Tank. Now, the Ink Tank also is designed to make you think about ink. Now, portfolio is just to express what your services are, to showcase what you do, to make your visitors, to make the viewers have the virtual knowledge of what you represent online. So that is what portfolio basically is. So if you are into a fashion designing, now let your portfolio present that. Now if you are an engineer, let your portfolio give your visitors the understanding that, oh, this person that owns this portfolio is an engineer, or this person who owns this portfolio is a fashion designer, or the person who owns this portfolio must be a digital artist. So that is how you get inspired. I believe you can do better thing than what you've learned in this training series. So thank you for your time, and I want you to give more attention to what you've learned, so far, and what you will still be learning. Hello. Make sure you try as much as possible to stay to the end of this training series. I have a mouth-watering packages for you. I have a start up pack that you can use to start now developing different kind of website even while using your smartphone. So I'm going to be giving you this package. I'm going to be giving you this at the end of this training series. At the end of this training series, you will get this pack. You will get this package. So make sure you stay to the end of this training so that you can get that package. Now the package is at the ending part of this training series. So make sure you get to that ending part, and I believe by the time you are seeing what that package is, I'm telling you, you will never regret it, because you've gained a lot in this training, in this series. Since the part 1 to where you are right now, I believe you've learned a lot. So just aspire of what that package will be. I'm telling you this: if you can hand your hand to that package, if you can get yourself that package, I'm telling you this is going to help you a lot to get every project you want to start working on in as once you complete this training series. In this training series, our focus is learning, building a portfolio, building a forum, building an e-commerce, building a social networking website. So that package has so many of those tools you need to start developing those projects, those things you've learned, what you need to start building it for clients, building it for yourself, and learning more to keep growing. So make sure you don't miss that package. I will be waiting for you there. So thank you, and bye for now.